Register for our online practical training on CCTV camera installation. Learn how to practically connect and install CCTV cameras, DVR, NVR, and other CCTV devices. Learn how to use your phone to view all your cameras without any distance barrier. This powerful training will be done in our new WhatsApp training group with training videos, diagrams, pictures, and step-by-step procedures. Certificates and practical books will be sent to every participant of this great training. Training fee is
2,000 naira for people in Nigeria
and $5 for people outside Nigeria. Training date
5th of October to 7th of October 2022.
Training time is 7 p.m. To register and join this training, send us a WhatsApp message on +234 7038187748. Use any of the number listed above to send your money for this training. Send us a message now to get started.